This coffee tastes like coffee. I need sugar.
Good night. We took an early train from Brussels to Bruges today. It cost $24 and lasted about 1 hour. We recommend that you're alert and prepared since the train makes different stops at various cities and doesn't necessarily announce the next stop. Plus, Bruges is not the end of the line. If you have big bags like Kevin, it's better to be ready to get off the train when it stops.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Kevin.
And I'm Nathan, and today we're in Bruges, Belgium.
Yes, this city looks magical, but let's go, we have some chocolate to make.
First, we're gonna check out the museum. We're headed to Choco-Story.
Nathan wants you to know that it looks like a fairy tale in here. In Brussels, you would see signs in both French and Dutch. Here, the first thing that struck me is that they're only in Dutch. We're gonna get Belgian waffles for breakfast. This coffee tastes like coffee. I need sugar. We're here.
So this is unprecedented. We're actually waiting outside because we're early.
I'm full of surprises. It looks like we're not the only ones waiting. We now have chocolate for weeks.
10 out of 10 would recommend. This will totally be a highlight of our trip here. I love the museum itself. We learned about the history of chocolate and the Europeanization of it. My favorite part were these mustache cups for drinking chocolate, but they had a lip to protect your mustache from getting dirty. They also had chocolate making demonstrations and all the chocolate you could eat. We paid a little bit extra to make our own chocolates. Let's see, I made a rubber ducky. It's cute.
I made a butchered Bugs Bunny. It's even broke right now.
So sad. And they had other things, like you can make little lollipops, and they showed you how to make designs. Go check it out.
Where are we going now, Nathan?
We're headed to the Frietmuseum, but because I don't speak French, I don't know what that means.
That means fries in French. But this museum has nothing to do with fries.
That's totally wrong. It has everything to do with fries. I hope we get to eat some too, although I'm still full from all that chocolate.
Do you love fries? This museum is for you. It's entirely dedicated to the history of potatoes and frites. Here, you'll learn about the origins of potatoes, how people started making fries, and the evolution of fry-making equipment.
I'm starting to wonder if we should have had the fries and then dessert.
Did you know Belgium's secret for the perfect fry is to double fry them?
We ate chocolate at Choco-Story, we ate French fries at Frietmuseum, and now I'm getting tortured at the Torture Museum.
As the name suggests, this museum depicts the history of torture and the devices used for that purpose. As you wander the hallways, you'll learn of various torture methods used during the medieval times. When you visit, you'll see actual torture artifacts, such as the rack, the guillotine, or the Iron Maiden. It definitely is an eye-opening experience that makes us thankful that these artifacts are out of use today.
We're here in the most picturesque spot in Bruges.
It might look like we're here by ourselves, but we are not.
Check out this scenic river.
We have successfully checked into our Airbnb. It is a beautiful place with magical views. We are now going to go have some dinner. The restaurant is 1 block away, but it is hard not to get distracted by the beautiful architecture here. Okay, we're finally here. We both had the Flemish beef stew. It is to die for. Oh, and fries.
Notice the streets around me. They're all cobbled. So if you come here with luggage, expect a very challenging journey. Or you could choose to arrive in style and get delivered by carriage.
By the way, Bruges is a beautiful city in the northwestern part of Belgium. It's best known for its well-preserved medieval architecture, scenic canals, and rich history. This quaint little town of about 118,000 people has been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You won't want to miss it if you want to be mesmerized by its beauty.
There was a concert in one of the many squares that you can find here. First day's impressions, Bruges is beautiful. We have a full day ahead of us tomorrow, so I gotta go and get my beauty rest on. We'll see you tomorrow. Did you know that swans are the symbol of the city? They represent wealth and power.
Hey look! It's the Belgian flag! Supposedly, if you hold hands with your loved one while crossing this bridge, you'll stay together forever. That sounds like a life sentence to me.
This is literally 5 seconds after I took the initial video.
Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? When will my reflection show who I am inside?
We are now heading to the Church of Our Lady. This stunning Gothic church is located right here in the historic center. Construction began in the 13th century, but it wasn't completed until the 15th century. One of its most famous features is its towering brick spire, which stands 122 meters tall. It is one of the highest brick structures in the world.
The church is not only beautiful on the outside, inside there are many beautiful works of art, including a marble sculpture of Madonna and Child created by Michelangelo himself. Even if you are not religious, it's definitely worth a visit for anyone interested in history, architecture, or art.
Guess what we have for lunch?
This is the Basilica of the Holy Blood. It has that name because this church houses a relic that is said to contain a cloth with a few drops of Jesus Christ's blood. The relic is taken out for public veneration every Friday. It is held inside a glass flask. You used to be able to lean in and kiss it, but that all went out the window after COVID. Whether you're a believer or not, you can come here to admire the relic and the building's beautiful architecture.
That guy with the Gucci sweatshirt was in a rush. Oh boy, it's been hours and hours and hours of constant rain. Thankfully, it seems to have stopped, and Nathan is excited about his next adventure. Where are we going?
We're gonna do a tour of De Havman Brewery.
Yeah, I hope they have wine there. Wow, we have a guest in our channel, I guess. What's your name?
Oh, it's still me. I just got a Belgian haircut. But now it's time for our brewery tour.
Yeah, now we're late. When I was waiting for Nathan, I was at a corner in the building and all I could see was the back of his head. So I was dying laughing because I thought he was regretting his life choices. I was like, maybe he asked for an inch of the top and inches don't translate well to centimeters, but no, he looks fine.
OMG, finally! This is the Havman Brewery. It's very big here in Bruges. It's been producing beer for over 150 years. It's best known for its signature beer, Bruges, which is a deliciously refreshing Belgian ale. If you're a beer lover like me, you won't want to miss a visit to this brewery. They offer tours that take you through the brewing process and end with a tasting of the beers. Yum! Plus, the brewery has a lovely outdoor terrace where you can enjoy a cold beer while taking in views of the city. And they have the world's only underground piping system that gets beer all throughout the city. During your tour, you'll also experience great views from the roof. It's definitely a must-view spot if you're in Bruges.
Things around here seem to close down about 6:30, so we can get some dinner, walk around, get some nice views, and then head back to the Airbnb unless we stumble across some nice nighttime activity.
Hey you wanderers out there, thanks for watching our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to find out what they got bound to next. And remember, beer is good, let's go drink some beer.